How to receive on Revolut. Here's how to receive USDT in your Revolut account. Quick, secure, and beginner-friendly. Step 1. Launch the Revolut app on your phone and log in. Make sure your app is up to date for full crypto support. Step 2. Tap the Crypto tab at the bottom, then use the search bar to find USDT. If you don't see it yet, tap Explore or Discover More tokens. Step 3. Once you find USDT, tap it and select Add to Portfolio or Start Trading to activate the wallet inside your account. Step 4. Inside the USDT page, tap Receive. You'll see your unique crypto wallet address. This is what others will use to send you USDT. Step 5. Copy your address and send it to the person or platform transferring USDT to you. They'll need to match the exact network or the transaction may fail. Step 6. After the transfer is sent, it usually appears within a few minutes to an hour, depending on network speed. You'll get a notification once the USDT hits your Revolut account. Just a little heads up, Revolut doesn't charge a fee to receive crypto, but network gas fees still apply on the sender side. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.